Everyone be silent. Follow the instruction. Hands cover up. Class 10 boys and girls, everyone come up. Class 10. Hands cover up. Side. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Cover up. Look front and make line straight. Class 6 boys, don't talk them. Everyone, you must follow the instruction. Don't talk there in line. Cover up. Inside. Stretcher and inside. Class 9 boys, what is going on there? Janie's first name, are you talking? Side. Up. Janie's come front. Janie's first name come front. What a passive boy you are. Be there separately. Do you listen from that I'm calling? Up. More. Everyone. Inside. Up. Side. Down. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Left turn. Up. Stand at ease. Attention. Cover up. Side. Up. Clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Louder. Side, up, side, down, right turn. Cover up. Class 8 boys, no sound. Inside, it's up, side, down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Now everyone get it for next time.
USB drive around.
Hands cover up. Side. Hands up. Side. Hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Now everyone get ready for a school song. Hold your hands front. Sing together louder. Let's cover up. Inside and soft, inside and strong. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. I like to call these speakers to deliver their speech.
Namaskar and everyone. Good morning to you all. Respected principal sir, vice principal sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all, it's me Akshay Karti from grade standing in front of you to deliver our short and sweet speech on the topic of importance of peace for development. Before starting my topic, I want to thank the organizer who have organized this type of program. This helps to increase the confidence level of the student. Now my topic is like this: importance of peace. Peace refers to the meaning to be freedom from noise, violence, anxiety, and war. It also suggests peace to the environment and thus creative activities which gives us pleasure and enjoy. We can be mentally and physically healthy. But at last, I want to say that peace is a certainly fundamental requirement. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Namaskar and everyone. Good morning to you all, respected teacher, principal, vice principal, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Nisha Sirakoti from grade 10, standing in front of you all to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of the teenagers, the influence of music on teenagers' emotions. Before starting my topic, I like to thank the ECA community of this school. Now I like to start my topic, the influence of music on teenagers' emotions. Music is not just a sound, it's an emotion in motion. For teenagers who are navigating one of the most transformative stages of life, music becomes a powerful companion. It provides Thank you.
Of another program. Last time we conducted election program for academic session 2083 and result already announced, everyone you know it. So today we are going to honor for those winners who selected for head boy, head girl, house leader, house vice leader, class captain and class vice captain. So we are going to provide them certificates and khada for those selected candidates and winners. So before distributing, let me call on the stage our BOD chairman sir, Dr. Vishnu Kumar Khatri sir. Please welcome him on the stage with a big round of applause. In the same way, I like to call on the stage our principal sir, Mr. Navraj Khadka sir. Everyone give him a big round of applause. Similarly, I like to welcome our vice principal sir, Mr. Iswar Nupane sir. Everyone put your hands together to welcome them on the stage. Okay, so first of all, now we are going to start distribution certificates from head boy and head girls. So I like to request our vice principal sir to put the tika. Similarly, I like to request our principal sir to put khada, and our BOD chairman sir will distribute the certificates for winners. So let me call on the stage for the winners from head girl. Everyone, you know that for academic session 2083, head girl is the girl we selected for head girl of academic session 2083 is Visakha Tamang. Please welcome on the stage Bisaka Tamang by putting your hands. Give her a big round of applause. Everyone, clap your hands. In the same way, let me call on this stage head boy of academic session 2083 is none other than Pawan Kumar Yadav. Give him a big round of applause, everyone. In the same way, now we are going to distribute certificates for house leader and vice leader. So let me start from Marigold House. So vice leader is selected for Marigold House is Osmani Rana Magar. Please welcome on this stage. Put your hands together, everyone. Clap for her. In the same way, I like to call house leader of Marigold House. She is Namika Dungana. Give them a big round of applause, everyone. In the same way, now I like to call on this stage vice leader and leader of Bhanu Bhakta House. Vice leader is selected for Bhanu Bhakta House is Deepsan Duwadi. Everyone clap your hands. Similarly, as a house leader of Bhanu Bhakta House is Samrakshan Pandit. Put your hands together, everyone. So it was really fair election while selecting captain, vice captain of each house and head boy and head girl of the school. So they won by their own votes. That's why once again congratulations to them. In the same way, I like to call on the stage house leader and vice leader of Karnali House. So vice leader is Zoya Rai. Congratulations, Zoya. Please come on the stage. In the same way, house leader is Rojin Chetri. Put your hands together, everyone. In the same way, I like to call the house leader and vice leader of Red House. That is Rhododendron House. So vice leader is selected for Rhododendron House is Sejura Badwal. Please come on the stage. In the same way, for the house leader of Rhododendron House is Janice Bosne. Everyone give them a big round of applause. Congratulations on all of the winners. Once again, give them a big round of applause, everyone. Okay. Okay, thank you, sir. Now moving forward, now this is the time to honor the captain and vice captain of each classes from 4 to 10 of academic session 2083. So captain and vice captain also selected according to their election, and whole class students they casted the vote for captain and vice captain, and finally they selected for this position by their vote. So let me start from class 4. Class 4 vice captain goes to Mingma Tamang. Please come on the stage, Mingma, to get the certificates. Everyone give her a big round of applause. In the same way, class captain is Shreyan Shrestha. Everyone give them a big round of applause. Moving forward to the class 5. Class vice captain of class 5 goes to Jenisa Bhandari. In the same way, class captain is selected is Subodh Singh. Give them a big round of applause. Everyone clap your hands. In the same way, moving forward to the class 6. Class 6 vice captain is selected is Vivas Manandar. And class captain goes to Geeta Rawat. Please come on the stage to get the certificates. In the same way, from class 7, vice captain is Priyanka Taman. And captain is Samet Chaudhary. Once again, give them a big round of applause, everyone. Similarly, from class 8, vice captain goes to Yuvraj Pandit. Please come on the stage, Yuvraj. And class captain is selected for academic session 2083 is Visesta Bhuzel. Give them a big round of applause. Put your hands together, everyone. Continuously. Clap your hands. Now moving towards for class 9. Vice captain is selected is Dio Karki. And captain selected is Anuja Thapa. Similarly from class 10, Sushant Puyal is selected for the vice captain and Nisa Sivakudi is selected for the captain. Congratulations for all those captain and vice captain. You must do your great job for controlling the class and for other activities inside the class. You must fulfill your duty and responsibility. Thank you, sirs, for your wonderful job. In this way, our program is concluded now. Hands cover up. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Now it's the time for march past. Class 4 girls move forward. Class 10 girls move forward.